Okay, so there aren't really a lot of examples in this section, but this one's a little bit different. You can see probably right away, oh, that top equation, it doesn't have a y term. Well, that's great. We already have a variable eliminated. So what we'll do is we'll take the bottom two equations and try to get rid of the y. So what I'm going to do, and this is where I'm going to try to make it just a little bit quicker in the writing, I'm going to multiply that middle equation by a negative 2. And that might be hard to see. Okay. So I was going to show you, though, you could write it a little quicker, I guess. So I'm multiplying, I get negative 2x minus 2y minus 4z equals negative 34. Be really careful with your signs. Now I'm distributing to negative 2. Why? Because I'm trying to eliminate the y's, and I have a 2y in the bottom equation, so I want a negative 2y in that other equation. The bottom equation, I'm just going to copy it down. X plus 2y plus z equals 16. I add them together. I get negative x, or negative 1x. I was going to put a 1, but the y's eliminate. Negative 2y and plus 2y, those are out of there, so that's good. Minus 3z, and negative 4z plus z is negative 3z, equals negative 18. Okay, so now I've got an xz equation, and then up here I've got an xz equation, right? Now look at that. I just copied down this top equation. I didn't have to do anything with it. It was just x plus z equals 8. And great news, the x's are already eliminating. Yay! So I don't have to multiply by anything. Those eliminate. So I get minus 3z plus z minus 2z equals negative 18, and 8 is negative 10. So now I can simply solve for z. And divide by negative 2, and I get z equals 5. Okay, so that's part of it right there. Now I have to go to some kind of xz equation. I could go to this one or this one. I'm going to use the one with the smaller numbers. So I'm going to say, where do I want to write this? X plus z equals 8. So I'm using that equation, but I know what z is. Z is 5, because I just figured that out. All right, so now subtract 5 from both sides, and I get x equals 3. Okay, so now I know z and I know x. So I need one of the equations that has a y in it. So one of those, either the middle one up here or the bottom one. I'll take the bottom one. X plus 2y plus z equals 16. And it doesn't matter which one you pick. You could have picked the middle one, but I picked the bottom one because it had less writing around it. Okay, and I know what z is and I know what x is. So I'll plug those in. 3 for x, and then z was 5. Okay, so what's 3 plus 5? 8. Okay, subtract the 8. And then divide by 2. And I get y equals 4. So I found all three variables. I found the x and the y and the z. So my answer is going to be an ordered triple. 3, 4, 5. You have to put it in the right order. X, Y, Z. Okay, there's my answer. Now, I usually like to check it. So maybe I would take the middle equation and check it. So the middle equation was x plus y plus 2z equals 17. So let me just check real quick. 3 plus 4 plus 2 times 5. Is that 17? Looks like it is, because that's 7 plus 10. So, yep. I'm just checking it. Okay, and you can check it in the other two equations also. But I feel pretty good about it. So that's the answer, 3, 4, 5. We're not usually consecutive like that, but that's what happened this time.